Hey everyone, seeing an incredible opportunity in the market and wanting to jump right in. But then you remember the whole funding process, waiting for transfers, bank holidays, ugh. Can't you just whip out your phone and start investing like magic? Well, for Canadians looking to ditch the wait and dive into the world of investing, Wealthsimple might be the answer. They boast features like commission-free trading and a user-friendly platform, but what about their instant deposit options? That's exactly what we're here to crack open today. So, if you're ready to ditch the slow lane and get on the investing fast track, grab your headphones, hit subscribe, and let's break down those Wealthsimple instant deposit limits. Breaking down the basics, understanding instant deposits. Before we dive into Wealthsimple specifics, let's rewind a bit. Instant deposits are exactly what they sound like, a way to add funds to your investment account immediately. No waiting for bank transfers to clear, no multi-day processing headaches. Just bam! The money's there, ready to be invested. This can be a game changer for those who want to react quickly to market fluctuations or capitalize on time-sensitive opportunities. However, it's important to remember that instant deposits often come with limitations. Wealthsimple's instant deposit arena, different tiers, different limits. Wealthsimple actually offers two main ways to deposit funds instantly: Interac e-transfer and debit cards. But here's the catch: the amount you can deposit instantly depends on your Wealthsimple account tier. Core clients, the starting point. Let's start with core clients, the most basic Wealthsimple account type. Here, instant deposits using Interac e-transfer are capped at a decent $3,000 per transaction. That's not bad for someone just starting out or looking for quick top-ups. Premium and Black clients, unlocking higher limits. If you step up to a premium or Black account, things get even more interesting. These tiers allow you to leverage the power of instant debit card deposits. With a debit card, you can shoot up to $3,500 into your account in a flash. Now, here's where the real difference maker comes in. For premium and Black clients, there's a significantly higher daily limit for instant deposits, a whopping $250,000. That's a serious amount of firepower at your fingertips, perfect for those who want to make substantial, immediate investments. Important reminders: monthly limits and beyond. It's important to remember that these are just the instant deposit limits. Wealthsimple also has separate monthly deposit maximums, regardless of the method you use. These vary depending on your account type, so be sure to check their website for the specifics. Beyond instant deposits, other funding options at Wealthsimple. While instant deposits are certainly a perk, Wealthsimple also offers other funding methods. You can always use the classic bank transfer route, although that usually takes a few business days to clear. Alternatively, you can schedule recurring deposits to consistently build your investment portfolio over time. The final verdict: is Wealthsimple right for your instant deposit needs? So, the big question: is Wealthsimple the instant deposit champion for you? Well, it depends on your investing style and needs. If you're a casual investor who dabbles here and there, the $3,000 instant e-transfer limit for core clients might be perfectly sufficient. But for those who crave speed and the ability to make larger, immediate investments, the higher limits for premium and Black clients, combined with the power of debit card deposits, become a serious advantage. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. Do your research, compare Wealthsimple's options to other investment platforms, and choose the one that best suits your investing journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.